In this video,
we will learn how to turn elimination feed on and off in Fortnite. In Fortnite, if you want to turn your elimination feed off, it is extremely simple. All you need to do is head to the profile section from the top right hand side of your screen. From here, go into the gear button. The gear button will lead you to the settings tab. From here, you need to head to the game UI section. In the game UI section, you need to head to the HUD options. In HUD options, you will need to scroll down until you find elimination feed in here. So all you need to do is turn it on or off according to your desire. And after doing that, all you need to do is click on apply and get back into the lobby. Now after getting into the game, if you are killed by another player, your kill feed will not be shown in game and you can just directly go into your lobby. This is how you can easily turn off your elimination feed in Fortnite and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.